In every organization, changes in policies require important instruments to maintain the organization's existence and sustainability in the midst of rapid global changes. In this regard, the Administrative Science act as pivotal instruments to study, measure, control, and formulate better directions. And the Faculty of Administrative Science Universitas Indonesia is ready to produce excellent human resources who will be able to play vital roles in an organization. Faculty of Administrative Science Universitas Indonesia was established on March 10, 2015, based on the decree of UIS Rector number 0630 SK RUI 2015 concerning the establishment of the Faculty of Administrative Science Universitas Indonesia. Faculty of Administrative Science Universitas Indonesia then officially became a faculty encompassing 5 study programs: Bachelor degree in Public Administration, Bachelor degree in Business Administration, Bachelor degree in Fiscal Administration, Master degree in Administrative Science, and Doctoral degree in Administrative Science. Faculty of Administrative Science Universitas Indonesia was established with the vision of to be a center of academic excellence in administrative science, policy studies, and strategic governance based on Tridharma mission of university in Southeast Asia. The missions of Faculty of Administrative Science Universitas Indonesia are 1. Delivering a competitive and dignified higher education in the studies of administrative science and policy, as well as strategic governance. 2. Carrying out research in the studies of administrative science and policy, as well as strategic governance for developing sciences and achieving the nation's objective. 3. Carrying out community service for the prosperity of the nation. 4. Producing graduates who have the competence of administrative science with inter- and multidisciplinary approach and ability to compete at international level based on highest standard integrity. Currently, Faculty of Administrative Science Universitas Indonesia has 3 departments, namely Public Administration, Business Administration, and Fiscal Administration. Public Administration. Students in this program are prepared to become an excellent human resource in understanding the issue and development of governance and analyze various policies to deal with national, regional, as well as global challenges. During the learning process, student will conduct a research in a number of government agencies, state-owned enterprise, and a subnational levels as the case study.
Ilmu administrasi negara berfokus pada 3 hal, yaitu institusi, kebijakan publik, dan pemerintahan. Di ilmu administrasi negara, kita tidak hanya berbicara tentang pemerintahan, tetapi juga aktor-aktor lainnya, seperti organisasi sektor privat, akademisi, dan masyarakat. Ilmu administrasi negara, kita memandang suatu hal tidak hanya dari satu perspektif, tetapi secara multidisipliner, yaitu dari ilmu politik, ilmu ekonomi, dan ilmu sosial lainnya.
Fiscal Administration. This program aims to create a capable human resource to understand tax policies and administration, as well as micro and macro taxation. In particular, this program delivers a specific course to master students in understanding taxation at national and international levels to face the challenges of economy and globalization.
Awalnya saya kira fiskal hanya tentang menghitung pajak, namun ternyata fiskal itu jauh lebih luas daripada itu. Kami diajari cara menganalisis kebijakan pemerintah secara holistik, komprehensif, dan imparsial. Selain itu, kami juga diajari cara membuat policy brief yang kemudian akan diajukan sebagai rekomendasi terhadap pemerintah. Selain itu, saat berkuliah di VIA memungkinkan saya untuk melanjutkan studi saya ke luar negeri.
Business Administration. This program prepares students to meet challenges through the development of strategic leadership, management, entrepreneurship, and nurturing the innovative mindset to increase individual competitiveness in facing national, regional, and global challenges.
Selama kurang lebih 3 tahun saya menjadi mahasiswa di jurusan Ilmu Administrasi Niaga. Saya mengalami banyak sekali tantangan, dari mulai beradaptasi dengan lingkungan perkuliahan hingga menghadapi tantangan lainnya. Saya memilih jurusan Ilmu Administrasi Niaga karena saya ingin memperdalam bagaimana caranya menjadi seorang entrepreneur yang baik. Terlebih lagi, di Departemen Ilmu Administrasi Niaga terbagi menjadi 3 klaster, yaitu CGC, CIGO, dan Institusi Keuangan, yang didukung oleh beberapa mata kuliah seperti akuntansi, kemudian manajemen sumber daya manusia, analisis bisnis, dan juga praktik bisnis di Indonesia. Salah satu mata kuliah yang menjadi favorit saya adalah mata kuliah praktik bisnis di Indonesia. Mengapa? Karena mata kuliah ini membahas mengenai bisnis proses dan tata kelola di bisnis-bisnis di Indonesia secara komprehensif. Sehingga masih banyak lagi mata kuliah lainnya yang mendukung saya untuk menjadi seorang entrepreneur yang baik.
Faculty of Administrative Science Universitas Indonesia also has a professorship-based research cluster which includes 1. PJAR, Policy, Governance, and Administrative Reform. 2. PolTax, Politics of Taxation, Welfare, and National Resilience. 3. GAP, Governance and Taxation Accountability. 4. INCEU, Financial Institutions. 5. CGC, Competitiveness and Governance of Corporation. 6. The Logo, Democracy and Local Governance. 7. CIGO, Center for Innovative and Governance. 8. CGDPS, Collaborative Governance and Dynamic Public Services. Currently, Faculty of Administrative Science Universitas Indonesia has 1,800 students and 58 lecturers. In addition, there are 8 professors and 49 academic staff. Furthermore, to support the academic activities of students, lecturers, and academic staff, Faculty of Administrative Science Universitas Indonesia has various facilities which are meant to support teaching and learning activities and other activities, namely laboratory, sport facilities, auditorium, classrooms, business incubator, library, Faculty of Administrative Science Universitas Indonesia establishes international collaboration with reputable institutions in terms of research, inbound and outbound lecturers or students, executive development programs, and double-degree programs, including Faculty of Administrative Science Universitas Indonesia has also received many awards both locally and internationally, among which are as a code of conduct for all staff, we hold on firmly to our values, namely commitment, integrity, transformative, and trust. It is expected that all responsibilities can be undertaken completely and wholeheartedly to obtain the best result. Equipped with the ability to study the internal dynamics of private and public organizations, Faculty of Administrative Science Universitas Indonesia alumni are expected to be able to compile and analyze policies on the macro, meso, and micro levels of an organization and be able to be the driving force for the organization where they can grow continuously and keep their competitiveness high. Professional needs that can be satisfied by the graduates, namely the public and government sectors, private sectors, professional domains for fiscal administration graduates, NGOs, and international organizations. In the future, the development of Faculty of Administrative Science Universitas Indonesia will focus on the following 4 strategic objectives. First, scientific development based on professorship chair and research clusters. Second, quality improvement of academic and non-academic services. Third, improvement on competence and expertise of faculty members and staff. And fourth, establishment of collaborative network between Faculty of Administrative Science, Universitas Indonesia, and domestic and foreign partners.
Fakultas Ilmu Administrasi Universitas Indonesia terus berkiprah di dalam mengembangkan ilmu pengetahuan dan juga berkontribusi dalam pembangunan bangsa dan negara. Dalam pengembangan pengetahuan dan kontribusinya tersebut, Fakultas Ilmu Administrasi memiliki 5 fokus kajian. Yang pertama adalah kajian kebijakan atau policy. Yang kedua adalah kajian governance tata kelola. Ketiga, kajian institusi. Keempat, kajian budaya. Dan kelima, kajian inovasi. Dengan 5 fokus kajian tersebut, Fakultas Ilmu Administrasi kedepannya memiliki 4 strategi utama untuk memperkuat pengembangan keilmuan dan kontribusinya kepada pembangunan bangsa dan negara. Yang pertama adalah pengembangan keilmuan berbasis riset profesorship, yaitu pengembangan keilmuan yang didasarkan kepada kepakaran para guru besar, diikuti dengan para dosen dan mahasiswa. Kedua, Fakultas Ilmu Administrasi berkomitmen untuk terus mengembangkan kapabilitas dan kompetensi para dosen dan juga tenaga kependidikan untuk terus mengembangkan ilmu pengetahuan dan berkontribusi kepada bangsa dan negara. Yang ketiga, Fakultas Ilmu Administrasi juga berkomitmen untuk mengembangkan jaringan dan kerjasama dengan mitra-mitra, baik dengan kementerian, lembaga, berbagai universitas di dalam maupun luar negeri. Yang keempat, Fakultas Ilmu Administrasi terus berkomitmen untuk memperbaiki berbagai layanan kepada mahasiswa agar mahasiswa bisa memperoleh pengajaran dan pendidikan secara lebih baik lagi.
The presence of Faculty of Administrative Science Universitas Indonesia is one of the pillars of education that will not only produce graduates with specific knowledge in the fields of administration, but also be able to become role model for other administrative faculties in Indonesia and the world.
Biarkan gema FIA terdengar. FIA, satu asa, satu semangat, satu jiwa, hentakan merah ungu.
Faculty of Administrative Science, Universitas Indonesia,